Hey guys, welcome to our channel, Gun and Amal. Today we're diving into the exciting world of chemical reactions and equations. So let's get started. Have you ever baked a cake or cooked a meal? Well, you were actually watching chemical reactions happen right in your kitchen. A chemical reaction is like a magical transformation where the ingredients, we call them reactants, turn into a sparkling new dish known as products. For example, imagine mixing flour, sugar, and eggs to make a delicious cake. These are your reactants. When you bake them, they change into a cake. That's a chemical reaction in action. Now, let's talk about chemical equations. They're like secret codes that scientists use to describe these transformations. A chemical equation shows what you start with, the reactants, and what you end up with, the products, using symbols and numbers. For example, water is made of 2 hydrogen atoms and 1 oxygen atom. The chemical equation for making water looks like this: 2H2 plus O2 2H2O. It tells us that 2 hydrogen molecules react with 1 oxygen molecule to produce 2 water molecules. Remember, every molecule loves balance, just like you when you're riding a bike or playing seesaw. That's called conservation of mass. It means that in a chemical reaction, the total mass of reactants equals the total mass of products. So, no atoms disappear during the reaction. They're just rearranged. Chemical equations must always be balanced, like a perfectly poised acrobat. We balance it by adding numbers to make sure the number of atoms on both sides of the equation are equal. This way, we keep the universe happy. And sometimes chemical reactions can be fast, like burning a match, or they can be slow, like rust forming on an old bicycle. Gun, do you know about the types of reactions? Absolutely, Amal. There are combination reactions, where everything sticks together like peanut butter and jelly. There's decomposition, where things break apart like ice melting into water. And don't forget displacement, where elements switch places like a game of musical chairs. So, whether you're baking a cake or exploring the mysteries of science, chemical reactions are everywhere. That's all for today's fun chat about chemical reactions and equations. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more interesting content from Gun and Amal. See you next time.